After you have completed the construction of the desk board, slide the desk board between the left and the right desk arm brackets. Push the desk board all the way back, so it sits up against the desk arm hinges. Grab the 6 3/4 inch long wood screws included with the hardware. Drive the wood screws through the 3 countersunk holes on each of the desk arm brackets. Do this for the left and right side arm brackets. The only step left is to level the desk board, which may be required depending on your setup. This is done by opening a Murphy bed as we normally would. Check the desk board to see if it is parallel to the floor. Most likely the desk board will not be leveled after you install it, and will need to be adjusted for the first time. Grab the level and a 7/16 wrench. Place the level on a desk board and then remove the plastic acorn nut. You may have to loosen the flange nut a little to adjust a desk. Check the level while slowly moving the arm bracket up and down until it is leveled according to the level. The desk board should be parallel to the floor when you are done. Once the desk has been leveled, tighten the flange nut enough so the bolt does not slide in the slot. Put back the acorn nut. You do not need to tighten the plastic acorn nut too much. Repeat the same steps to level the right side of the desk. The full installation and setup of the Murphy bed desk is now complete. Visit the help section on our website for more resources or contact our support team if you require more assistance during the installation or setup of your Murphy bed desk.